Welcome to Blind Bakery, episode
I think 5.
7? 5?
7.
One of them didn't get uploaded. That was sad.
Yeah,
But you know how it is. So today we're making cake. Big cake. No cupcake, big cake.
Graduation cake.
And we're going to do something different. We're going to be together on this.
Uh-huh.
So instead of competing, we're trying to do the best we can together.
We're going to use these here frostings.
Yeah.
Make a really cool design.
We got black.
We got white.
And we got blue.
Oh my goodness.
We got 4 eggs. Baking powder.
Butter.
Land O'Lakes butter and canola oil.
We got sugar.
And then the best thing of all, flour. Flour is God-given sense.
Alright, I think we should start with the flour like usual.
Alright, how are we going to do this?
I'll just start throwing some flour in.
We got this. We're going to do 2 scoops. How big do you... Oh, that's a pretty big pan. I'm going to do 2 scoops of flour.
350
2.5 scoops of flour.
for 25 to 30 minutes.
2.5 scoops of flour. We're definitely going to add more later because that's usually what happens. It looks really bad, and then we just add more flour, and more flour, and more flour.
Alright, a lot of sugar.
And more flour. More.
Okay.
More.
Alright. I can't complain.
Alright, that should be good.
Alright.
This is going to be the sweetest.
Most wonderful cake. You
Don't put a lot.
give it a whiff. Let's do it before the liquid. Oh, that was a lot.
Don't put a lot, gang.
They never know. Ready?
Ready now. Oh, do it. Ew, it got over my hand.
Ew. Gross. I'm gonna get a fork.
Okay.
Okay.
Terrible. Shut up.
Those are kind of gas.
No, honestly. Okay, it's really yellow.
Could you throw some butter in there?
Looks like
Spoon.
Nah.
Some pudding.
looks like pudding.
It's kind of like pudding.
This is like 3 teaspoons.
Never missed.
First try, gang.
For real. For real.
Little taste of that, John.
You wash your hands yet, buddy?
I just washed my hands. That's good.
Alright, go ahead.
Wow. It looks like yellow pudding.
Tastes like cake batter though.
Cake
It sure
batter.
does. It looks like cake batter to me. Does that not?
It looks
Tastes gas.
fire. More.
I think I know how to make it more gas.
It's probably the sweetest.
Because I want you to get first-hand taste of how sugary it is.
Supposed to be. You know how much sugar's in a Pop-Tart? A lot.
Did we make enough?
It inflates.
I don't think we made enough.
You fool.
Gang, we didn't.
I think we did.
I don't know about that.
It's all this.
Thin layer, but it's alright. It'll cook.
It'll inflate, I
It
guess.
just means we have to wait less time.
Yeah, it actually is. You gotta cook it less.
It looks good.
Super good, amazing, actually. Whoa! Alright, we're gonna put it inside the oven now.
Insertion time.
Anyways. Whoa, why is it smoking?
That's you're gonna burn yourself.
I'm gonna try. Alright, wait.
For how long? How long do we put it in there for?
Let's try 10 minutes to start. I just need the oven light on.
Oh yeah, we gotta do time lapse. Time lapse time.
Alright.
Oh, she no jiggle.
Alright, I think they're ready. Oh, it smells like the rest of my baking items.
Yeah, it smells.
All right, let's decorate it.
All right, gang. This is our cake.
It's epic.
It doesn't taste the best.
Doesn't taste ideal, but it look ideal.
Your decorating looks beautiful.
Thank you.
You're gonna kill me if I say something bad. Your decorating sucks. No! Okay, let's start decorating.
Okay. Boom.
Should I try to do the blue bits?
Yeah, I think that's probably a good idea.
It'd be perfect. Wow! But just
Tiger.
put this right. We'll cut that out. So Gareth making the oh my goodness gracious.
It's a tiger.
Yeah.
That's for sure a tiger. Ooh. Totally can tell.
That's actually not bad. I'm gonna be honest. That's not bad.
So it's pretty terrible.
Okay, so I'm gonna fill it in with blue,
Yeah.
and then you're just gonna add some poke. Oh, we have the eyes.
Yeah, I'll just go.
I just touched the pan and burned my arm.
Not good.
No. We're good.
Yeah,
Not yet, not yet. I should work out a cake factory.
You should. Just be like one of them the Walmart cake decorators.
Yeah. They mostly write, I think, just happy birthday.
Yeah, they get pretty good at it too.
Yo, am I good at this?
For real, you are.
Did I just find my new career path? It's like I took a poop on the That is so good.
That's a jaguar if I ever saw one.
Dude, look at the resemblance.
Whoa! You take that.
It's beautiful.
Alright, watch.
Beautiful work of art, as you can see. Pull up the phone real quick.
Semblance is uncanny. Oh my goodness.
Dude, it's like we printed it on there.
For real.
I'm not gonna lie.
Alright, do you say we give it a try?
Yeah, let's give it a try. Stab it. Oh, our beautiful jaguar.
Oh, it's not a little disgusting at all. Whoa. I'm gonna actually eat this off camera. Oh.
So Gareth, how do I film? How do people vlog? Are you gonna miss film?
Absolutely. Film was epic.
I've missed film already, and I'm still in it.
For real.
Now we do our final taste test of Blind Bakery ever.
For real. Alright.
Ready to dig in?
I'm gonna eat his teeth.
I really want to get most of the frosting, so I'm gonna eat this part. I think I got, the frosting makes it look so good.
It's okay with the frosting. You know,
You know,
it's a 4 out of 10. Well, that's a real 4 out of 10. That wasn't generous.
the frosting honestly carries a lot.
A lot. But it's probably one of the better items we baked, honestly.
Oh yeah, this is probably the best because of the frosting.
It's also edible.
Yeah.
Well,
For our first collaboration, that's pretty good.
I'm proud of it.
Am I gonna eat the rest? No.
Should I give it the elbow? Even though we went on the YouTube very often.
We went on YouTube often because of some incidences.
Yeah.
But that's besides the point.
For real. Anyways, Blind Bakery.
Anyway,
Out.
out forever. Later, gang.
Bye.